have fun today, starting off with our friends at Vancouver General Contractors. This kitchen is absolutely gorgeous. I'm having some major kitchen envy. Can you tell me a little bit about what it looked like before and this unbelievable transformation that happened?
Absolutely. When we started the renovation, this was a very enclosed 1970s kitchen, very dark woods, very dark and dingy. So we really wanted to open it up. So we actually knocked down all of the walls in the kitchen and opened it right up to the living room and the dining room. One of the big things we wanted to do was we wanted to put a nice big island.
Which you have. This is one of the biggest islands that I've seen and I absolutely love it.
Absolutely. So it's 10 feet long, 4 feet wide, and a beautiful quartz countertop.
Beautiful. Stunning with the white.
Very durable. The great thing about this is that it doesn't stain. So I know a lot of people with countertops sometimes get worried about red wine getting on the countertops, especially if it's white, it's going to leave a stain. You won't get this with this quality quartz.
Love it.
So when we did design the kitchen, we did want to make it feel a little bit warmer, but also give it light color so it really feels open and spacious. So we used high gloss white cabinets on all of the back galley style kitchen. And for the island, we use a nice walnut color. So that brought in a little bit more of that warm tone, where the white complemented with a little bit of a brighter tone. And then really the backsplash, which is a combination of glass and natural stone, really kind of gives it that like nice warm earth tone.
I love that, absolutely. I can see with the high gloss, that being the modern, but this wood really warms it up and all ties into the beautiful living room. Do you find that most people are looking for an open floor plan when it comes to kitchens and living rooms these days?
I mean, everybody's different and everybody's got their own unique needs when it comes to the way they live and what they like to do with the space. It is more of a common trend now that people do want more of an open concept, and especially young families. The request was not what I expected. A lot of people would say, well, I want to entertain, I want to keep it open. But really a lot of them are saying that I need an open kitchen because I need to keep an eye out for my kids.
That's exactly it.
So that way they don't want any walls, and that way they can see where their kids are at, what they're doing, and they feel like they're just as involved and engaged with the rest of the house as opposed to the way it was, where it's very closed off. And if you're in the kitchen, you're in the kitchen.
Absolutely.
And that's it. So this really kind of opens it all up to the whole house.
Well, this kitchen will make any chef or non-chef super happy. I absolutely love it. Great job.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.